This is the DeWALT DW088K self-leveling crossline laser. The red laser beam has a visible range up to 15 metres, but can also be used with a detector to extend the range to 50 metres. It's powered by 3 AA alkaline batteries, and the state of charge indicator tells the user when the battery life is running out. The horizontal and vertical lines can be operated separately or together. The laser has a 1/4 inch thread for use on a tripod, or use the magnetic bracket to position the laser on a metal object. Inside the box you'll get the DW088K laser level. It will come with a wall mount bracket and all supplied in a heavy duty carry case. This is available for £99 during the FFX Winter Tool Show.